When is the last time you crossed the Atlantic on a bridge? This is the Clachan Bridge, affectionately known as the Bridge over the Atlantic. It spans the Clachan Sound, a narrow sea channel that fills and empties with the Atlantic tide. It connects the Scottish Mainland in Argyll and Bute with the gorgeous Inner Hebrides island of Sale. Built by engineer Robert Milne, a Scot best known for his work on Blackfriars Bridge in London, this is a very picturesque little spot to stop for a cup of tea and to enjoy the scenery. Looking south as we soar above the tiny village of Clachan Sale, we're looking down towards the Firth of Lorne and into the wide Atlantic Ocean. This is an ocean-filled inlet. It rises and falls with the tide, which gives us the name, the Bridge over the Atlantic. It is worth a detour if you're driving around the Highlands. Enjoy the scenery.